Okay, I'm just going to show you how to set up a friendly page on this cabinet so that we can control this top box here and move the back of it forward from the back. We've got a gap at the back of that top box in that unit, so the first thing we're going to do is have a look in the sections and try and find the part that we're after. I can pan that cabinet in that area by clicking the left and right mouse button and pulling it down, and then using the middle mouse button we can scroll in, and then I can use the left mouse button to select the part that I'm interested in. Then I can we'll scroll down and I'm looking for a highlighted grey section, and there it goes there. So I can see that this section, along with the bottom and the end left and other parts, are all bundled together under a container section called Carcass 3, which isn't in grey because it's all these ones in grey are sort of downstream imported sections from sub-libraries. So the one that we're interested in is this one up the top here, which we can edit easily. And if I click up here just to show those top level sections, you can see now that if I do turn off that Carcass 3 section, all the other sections within it will turn off too. So that's the one that we're interested in being able to control. And if I move the back of that forward, then all the other parts within it will move forward too. So if we go to the depth of that part and type in 200mm, you can see there that that's moved the top of that top box forward, which is what we want to do. Now, to put a control in for that into the friendly pages, if I want to put a new tab up here, and an edit box like one of these ones, allowing us to control the length, all I need to do is go back into the sections, click into the box that I want to control, then click up into the formula box, and I'm going to give it a name. Try and come up with something unique and descriptive at the same time. So that's my new cabinet property. I'm going to copy it because I'll use that later, and I'll click push tab, and I've got this error here, the cabinet's looking for a property and I haven't defined that property yet, which I'll do now. I want it to be of a length type, and I'm going to give it an initial value of 50mm. I don't want it to be a drawing property or a library property, it's going to be a cabinet property, so I'll uncheck those two boxes. We click OK, and we can see here that our new cabinet property has been given a value of 50, and it's going all the way through to the cabinet there. So in order to control that through the friendly pages, we're going to create a new tab in the Labour and Construction group, and within that new tab I'm going to create a new question, and I'm going to paste in that property that I'd previously copied, and I'm going to give it a name, give the question a name. It's going to be of a length type, and I know that my answer width for that control doesn't need to be that long, so I'm just going to make it a wee bit smaller. Then we'll go in and have a look at it, and you can see it there. We can adjust it 200mm gap or 0, and that's pretty much how you set up a friendly page control. If I want to make it create one of these group boxes here. You can see the options is emboldened. It's got this nice little rectangle line around here. If I want my one to look consistent, I can just go back into that tab, and this time I want the control not to be an edit box but a group box, and I'm going to call it top box, and I'll give that group box a style of 4. You can see what the other styles are by looking in the help files, and I'm going to move that up 1 so it's at the very top. Now when we go back and look in here, it's got this nice little area here where it looks neat, the same as the other ones, and we can control that. So that's how you do it. It's pretty simple, and hopefully I've helped you. All you have to do then is just go to your library and add that unit into the library and dodge your uncle.